Hello guys, many people have asked about the reviews on BT-S2 and how it works. So this is my latest video. Obviously we will get plenty of videos in YouTube, but I would like to say some specific things about BT-S2 which is not yet explained on YouTube. Okay, firstly, to keep it on, you have to press it and keep it for 2 to 3 seconds, and you can see the blue color LED here glows. Then after that, on your mobile you have to see the on get the BT-S2 on, and you can see it's connecting. Just wait for a while, it will get connected. Okay, can you see it's get connected? And whenever it's connected, your speaker gives a sound, small beep. If you wear the helmet, you can hear the sound very clearly. Now, important notice, like you have to go to the settings bar, find out where the Bluetooth scanning is. So I search the Bluetooth scanning, turn it to off always, because I have noticed that the Bluetooth gets disconnected on its own and gets connected on its own. That was the problem. So I googled the issue, what was the issue, and they said me to turn it off, Bluetooth scanning. Once it's paired, turn it off. If you turn it off, it doesn't get disconnected automatically, so it'll be fine. Now as you see, once it's connected, this will be. Now I'll give you a quick demo about how the sound quality is. Can you hope you can hear the sound much clearly now? This is the full volume. You can use a better player to get more sound. This is, I think this is pretty much loud sound for a helmet, so it will be fine. I don't have currently another BT-S2 to show you how the pairing occurs between the intercom to intercom, so hope this helps. Now about the FM part, if you click this button 2 times simultaneously, you will get the FM on, and this volume buttons will give you the search function for the FM channels. And these plus and minus also, while playing the music, you can, if you press and keep it, the volume goes up and down, respectively. If you just keep one click on the plus or minus button, it gives you next or previous. This makes you attend all calls on one click, and the second click will give you to make you to disconnect the call. And this also works as the intercom function whenever you want to connect to the intercom guy. Anyways, this has a auto call. It'll answer the call auto when it's in Bluetooth. If you don't receive the call from your mobile, it'll automatically receive the call. You can turn it off from your mobile, I guess, the auto answer function. Okay, that's it guys, hope this video helps you. See ya, bye bye.